Do you want to save costs? Like you use one pot of soup to make two pots of soup. You can make this oha soup, and you can also make onugbu soup with the same sauce. That is, you make oha and onugbu with the same sauce, with the same ingredients. Everything will be very nice. You save a lot of cost and it will save you a lot of money. This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how you can be able to use one sauce to make two different pots of soup. So this is our ingredients. I have my cow skin stock fish. This is my dry fish and my fresh pepper already blended. Then this is my crayfish. I added small okpe. If you did that black tiny okpe, this here. Then I also have my okiriobo, that English ogiri. Then see my bitter leaf, already washed bitter leaf I'm going to use. Then this is my oha leaf that I'm still going to use. Remember, our plan is to make out two different soup with one pot of soup. Then let's dive into it. So this is my stock water already on the fire, containing the meat, the stock fish already boiling. Then I added my red oil to it, and after adding this red oil to it, I need to cover it to allow it to boil for a while before I start adding my ingredients. So here it has started boiling. I check this meat and it's okay. I can start adding other things. I started adding my cocoyam. This is my already blended cocoyam. That is what I'm adding to it. Yes, for the sake of this, I'm going to use my cocoyam. See how I've added everything inside the pot, and I cover it to allow it to boil, to allow it to melt very well. Then now I'm adding the English ogiri, the ogiri as it's normally called, into it. I will allow it to melt. Then I have to add my fresh pepper to it too. At this point, I'm adding all the ingredients. I'm adding my cubes as well, so that everything will be well blended very well. This is me adding my salt and my dry fish. Remember, we are making a very delicious and yummy sauce that we can use for two different type of soup. So I will make sure that everything is there and everything is well blended and is very sweet, so that both soup is going to come out very tasty. This kind of dish will help you save a lot of cost. Then now the stock water is ready. Then I have to separate it. That's why I'm dishing small into another pot. Yes, I have more of the bitter leaf, so I'm going to add bitter leaf to the bigger pot. See, now I'm adding bitter leaf to the bitter pot, and adding this bitter leaf to this bigger pot will make our bitter leaf soup ready. Remember, the sauce water is already ready, waiting just for the leaf to enter. And now the leaf has entered. I will just shake for taste, and that is it, and your bitter leaf soup is ready. See the small pot, I added my uziza seed. Yes, I couldn't get the other leaf, and after adding the seed, I added my now another pot of soup is ready. Isn't this amazing? If you are loving this video, please don't forget to like and comment. Tell me how you feel. Then see our oha soup. Delicious oha soup is ready for eating. Then see our onugbu soup, the one that we cooked in a very big pot, ready already for another swallow. Isn't this amazing? Let me know what you think of this in the comments. Do you think this can actually save costs? Will you like to try it? Let me know in the comments.